Why, hello everybody. So this is something a little bit different. Of course, now that the weather's getting cold, the fan in my truck seems to be rattling and having trouble blowing, and then there's a god-awful stench coming from it. Pretty sure there's a dead animal in there. I got a new filter, like a cabin filter, and my new blower motor should be here today. I've already taken off like the bottom shroud thing. The fan is right here. That's the control module, and then inside is the fan. Above that is the furnace filter. So we're gonna do the furnace filter right now and see what we can find. So to do that, you have to take off the glove box somehow. Oh, okay, so there's a screw there, and I'm guessing there's some on the bottom. Yeah, right there. So 4 screws, and of course they're the stupid torque ones. All right, give me a minute, we'll do that. Okie dokie. So there's the glove box off. Let's look inside. And there is where the cabin filter goes. Oh, there's some like paper. Oh, I'm kind of scared to look.
I am so scared.
How do you get it open? Clip up there. Missing, clip over there. What's coming out? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, there's fur. All right, I gotta put you down and put gloves on.
Is the nut?
All right, so kind of what I suspected, although the fur kind of freaks me out. I wonder what that is. Anyway, it's a full-on mouse nest. That is disgusting. Ugh. Okay. And I can smell it. Thank God it's cold out. Doesn't smell as bad. But you can imagine when I turn on my hot air, how that smells.
Gross. Oh no.
Oh. So nasty. So, the dead mouse. And this was its nest. All that shit came out of that hole. Oh God, there's more. Oh, there's a bunch of them.
It's every farmer's living nightmare.
That's nasty. Anyway, so it's out now. That's great. I'm gonna blow out that little filter chamber, and then I'm gonna sanitize it with some hospital grade disinfectant.
With its special plutonium-enriched formula, it will kill all known germs and any other living organism from being able to mess up your bathroom ever again, keeping your bathroom cleaner for longer. Nothing cleans a bathroom like Atomic Clean.
Okay, I just decided to pull the fan out while I'm at it, which is kind of nasty. There's stuff in there. There was like big chunks of fur I pulled out. But anyway, that one's just 3 more of the same size torque screws that hold these tabs. And I sprayed a bunch of disinfectant in there that's alcohol based, but it also has a quat. And that's why I decided to pull the fan off so it can drip down through, let it dry out. And then we'll put in the new filter, which I'm not quite sure what way it goes. It looks square though, so we should be all right. Anyway, I'm gonna let that dry. And my goddamn new blower motor better come today. It was due Wednesday, and now it's Saturday. Thanks, FedEx. Okay, it's been a few hours. Hopefully that's all dry. We're gonna put the filter in. All right, it's in there. I'm gonna put the glove box back on. Glove box back on. That was less than 2 minutes. New fan finally came, 6 days late. I'll be calling for a refund on that shipping. Anyway, we just gotta get her up in there. Here's the old one. And we'll do All right. Heat, glorious heat. Check this out. Oh yeah, do you hear that? And we're back in business, just in time for the cold. All right, have a good one.